For my second technology, I'm going to show you guys Quizlet. I'm going to get logged in. If you need to sign up, sign up. Log in with Google. Alright, this one is directed towards coworkers creating it, but then using it is pretty directed towards students. The ISD standards is Educator 5A and 7B. I'm going to show you guys how to create a class. There's a lot more that can be done with this, but I'm just going to title it what my class title would be, and then this is the intro. I'm not going to allow other people to do it, and then you can add your school as needed. You just type it in. It already has mine pre-selected. Alright, you can add members. You can join this link. That's how you join. I'll show you that it's also connected with a Google Classroom, so that's why I really like it, because I use Google Classroom in my all my classes. And so then I'm going to create a study set for you guys. And this is where you guys would actually make your terms and stuff like this. I'm just going to say chapter 1. There is a 2-term minimum, and again, you can select different languages if you have that language barrier that you need to fill. First one, I'm just going to ask alphabet of lines. Quick definition is so again, kind of time consuming, but I really enjoy it because it helps my students. So if it takes me a little bit of time, I'm going to select English. I don't know if I have any barriers this year. I don't know my student personnel. So the next one I'm going to go into like more borderline is an alphabet of line. So they'll have to know a lot about lines. And then it is the thickest line weight. So then again, it does English. I can change them. So then I will create that. You can share it with your Google Classroom right away. I don't have any of my classrooms set up right now with my new personnel. Add the class to folder, copy the link, anything like that. Students can also just log on to Quizlet and research stuff, but it's a quick way that you can share it directly to them if you have created one. You can even share ones that other people have created and you've liked and have been using. So now you can see that they can learn from it by studying on flashcards. They can write them, spell. You can test over it, match, and this is a game, Gravity. So I think it's kind of fun like that, but that's the basics to creating your a class out of it.